Can you see it anywhere? The jet two heading to Greece. No, that's heading to Milan. We would be able to see it. Would it comes around this end? Boy! Why are there so many seagulls around the other side? Oh, there's tune playing on this one. Always gives me the chills. That was not right. That was not this. That was the wild mouse. I know this one went to the utility, didn't it? Oh, I got a nice cold breeze then, that's lovely. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that's lovely. This is so... It's very hot. I think that's from the Dodgems. That noise. But that was weird though. I don't know. Like that. I feel like it's just the Dodgems play music. Now that's the Ram House. Oh, I hear weird stuff all the time. There, what is that noise? Minutes. That's what that man was dancing to the music. We can't even hear anything.